Hello and welcome back to another video for the Transpennine Route Upgrade, where we're looking at key points around Huddersfield by drone. Today's location is different in that this is the only location that's complete. Today we're at Fieldhouse Lane Bridge.
This is a 170-year-old footbridge that was replaced around 18 months ago. Because of its location, actually it's not that easy to get to or even well known, despite not being that far from the busy Leeds Road. To get to it, you either need to come down a steep section of woodland to the north or come off a muddy path from the canal on the other side. Either way, this bridge doesn't get much use. The reason it needed replacing? It was simply too low for the electric trains, which will need more clearance. It was also in poor condition. It must have been a very large cost for something that gets so little use. Originally a narrow road bridge over the railway, it was later extended during the construction of the Midland Railway Huddersfield branch line in the early 1900s. After it was widened, and in its later years following what I presume was poor maintenance, only the middle section was available to walk on, with the remaining area caged and fenced off. During August 22, the old bridge was removed and a new cage bridge was installed in its place, using some very heavy lifting equipment. The new pre-assembled bridge was brought by road to the nearby Hillhouse sidings, where it was then taken the short distance by rail to Fieldhouse. There it was lifted into place.
Hope you enjoyed the short update video looking at key locations around Huddersfield for the Transpennine Route Upgrade. Keep an eye out for more videos where I'll be looking at other locations, all by drone.